Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a Starbucks gift card on the app step by step, quickly and easily. Step 1. Start by downloading the Starbucks app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't have it installed already. Open the app and sign in to your Starbucks account. If you don't have an account, create one using your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Once you're logged in, tap on the Pay tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your cards and payment methods. Step 3. Tap on Add a Card and then select Add a Starbucks Card. This will allow you to add a new gift card to your account. Step 4. Locate the gift card number and PIN on your Starbucks gift card. If it's a physical card, gently scratch the back to reveal the PIN. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 5. Enter the card number and PIN into the app exactly as shown. Make sure there are no extra spaces or mistakes. Then tap Add Card. Step 6. The app will verify the card, and once accepted, the balance will be added to your Starbucks account instantly. You can now use your card to pay at Starbucks stores, reload it, or manage your balance through the app. Step 7. You're all set. Your Starbucks gift card is activated and ready to use for drinks, food, and merchandise. That's it for this guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step tutorials.